Like, Matt Ganuel, si Rosser, Gabe Norwood. Kasi dito, wala ka naman like, we would always set our best defender, Gabe Norwood, to the top player of the opposing team. Like against Korea, pinatay niya si Greg Stevenson sa Monte Young. Diba, binibet sa kanya. Pero dito, halos pare-pareho kasi yung skill level ng mga New Zealanders. Kompleto sila sa shooters, kompleto sila sa basket.
Jamshidi will get another basket and the lead is back up to 2 for Iran. 7 points na para kay Mohammad Jamshidi. There's Devendorf behind the back. Now with Davis. Rusko for 3. Argaban and Madani fight for their safe possession.
Well, get to 7-footers Aaron on the floor. Really, that's why they can go over the boards. Pero tikip yung laban sa vaulting at the half. It was really close all around. It was 19-18 at this point.
Argaban for 3.